Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue class 7th, lesson 2nd. Next topic is division of fraction. Division of fraction, beta. In division, one important term is reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. What is the reciprocal of fraction? Look, how to find the reciprocal of the fraction. Now beta, suppose I have a fraction. I have a fraction 2 upon 3. I want to find its reciprocal. Then beta, simply you have to change denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. Means you have to invert the fraction. Now look here, I want to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Its reciprocal will be 3 upon 2. Means denominator in the reciprocal, denominator will change. Your denominator of the fraction will become numerator in the reciprocal and numerator will become denominator in the reciprocal. Understood? Similarly beta, I have a fraction 5 upon 8. Suppose I want to find its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5 upon 8. Very easy beta, it will be 8 upon 5. Means you have to only reverse the given fraction. Means 5 upon 8, its reciprocal will be 8 upon 5. If here it is beta 3 upon 2, then its reciprocal will be 2 upon 3. Okay, understood? If here it is minus 5 upon 7, then its reciprocal will be 7 upon minus 7 upon 5. Understood? Means simply in the reciprocal, you have to convert the denominator of the fraction into numerator and numerator will be changed into denominator. Understood beta? Now beta, this is the first question of exercise 2.3. Find reciprocal of each of the fraction. Means you have to find reciprocal of every fraction and classify them proper, improper and whole number. Understood beta? Now if I try that one, then reciprocal of 3 upon 7. As I already explained, its reciprocal will be reverse of the fraction. Your fraction is 3 upon 7. Its reverse will be, its converse will be 7 upon 3. So this is the reciprocal. Now you have to tell the reciprocal is a proper fraction, improper fraction or a whole number. Now look here, which fraction is this? Now numerator is greater than denominator, so it is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. Clear beta? Similarly you have to solve these parts of first question. Understood beta? Now beta, reciprocal is over. Now with the help of reciprocal, we will divide two fraction. Now division of fraction. Division of fraction. Understood clearly beta? Suppose I have two fraction. First is A upon B. Second is C upon D. I want to divide them. Means here is the sign of division. Then simply beta, keep first fraction as it is, A upon B, and this sign of division change into multiply, and the last fraction, second fraction, here it will be its reciprocal. It will be changed into, now here it is 7 upon d, here it will become d upon 7. Now question is question of division. Now it become the question of multiply. You know how to multiply the two fraction. Understood beta? For example, if I have a fraction 3 upon 4, I want to divide it with 7 upon 8. Now as I already explained here beta, keep 3 upon 4 as it is, division change into multiply, and here you will write reciprocal of the second fraction. 7 upon 8 change into 8 upon 7. Now look, now question is as like the previous exercise. Now division change into multiply. Look, in the numerator and denominator anything is common, you can cancel. 4 2s are 8. Now 3 multiply 2 beta 6, and in the denominator only 7. So it become 6 upon 7. Understood? So division is become into multiplication. You have to keep one point in mind while changing sign of division into multiply. You have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Understood? As like here 7 upon 8, it will be changed into 8 upon 7. Clear beta? Beta, your next question is based on the division. Question second, divide. You have to divide 3 1/4 by 2 third. Understood beta? Now look here, this is mixed fraction. I have already told where you have seen mixed fraction, change it into improper. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. It become 13 upon 4. Now you have to divide this by 2 upon 3. You have divide this by 2 upon 3. So here is the sign of division, and 2 upon 3. Now look beta, as I explained there, keep first fraction as it is, division change into multiply, and you have to write here the reciprocal of that. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3, it will be 3 upon 2. Understood beta? Now question is simple as like the multiplication. Now look, anything is common? Nothing is common in numerator and denominator. So simply multiply 13 with 3, 39, and 4 into 2, 8. This is your answer. Understood beta? Clear? Yes beta, you can leave the question here, but if you want to match the answer, then beta simply change it into mixed fraction. Understood? You know how to change improper fraction into mixed fraction. When you will change it into mixed fraction, it become 4 and 7 eighths. Understood beta? Yes beta, these are the pending part of question second. First, second and fourth. Second I have solved for yourself, pending part first, third and fourth. You have to try these parts by yourself. Understood beta? Yes beta, your next question is question third is same like the question second. Divide. I will discuss with you question first of third. You have to divide 3 upon 8 by 4. Now look here beta. 3 upon 8 by means division here. You have to divide it with 4. Now look here. What is the denominator of 4 here? Nothing is written na. That means denominator, its denominator is 1. Now simply keep first fraction as it is. Division change into multiply, and reciprocal of 4 upon 1 will be 1 upon 4. Understood? Now look, anything is common between numerator and denominator? Nothing is common. So simply multiply numerator with numerator. 3 multiply 1, 3. Denominator with denominator. 8 multiply 4. 8 4s are 32. Understood beta? But these are the pending parts of third. You have solved by yourself. And fourth question is also same as like the previous question. Simplify means you have to divide 3 upon 10 divided by 10 upon 3. Understood? Division, simple division is here. You have to try these sums by yourself. I hope you can easily solve these questions. Thank you, beta.